Hi guys, Neil at Italia Autos here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be changing the inner drive shaft gator on this diesel GT. So to start, there's 3 bolts we want to undo, which is this one here, the one for the steering rack and the one for the drive shaft. So I'm just going to get those done now. Make sure the steering's turned the right way around. You can use a ball joint splitter, or you can use a hammer, or you can use whatever you want to separate them. I don't use ball joint splitters because you can damage these gators, and using a hammer I've never ever broke anything, so this is the simplest and easiest method to do. Now, if the drive shaft's free, which it is, to remove some of the electrical connections and the ABS wires, so you've got plenty of room to move everything around. And you should have enough room just to get the drive shaft out like that. And now, car up in the air and we'll get the cup out. Now we just want to get a screwdriver in here just so we can release this clip. Hopefully we can, it's here anyway and it's easy enough to do. There we go. Pull that out of the way because it's not needed. And now the drive shaft should just pull out. As we're just changing the gator, we don't need to remove the cup in there because that is a pain in the backside, and you'll also need to top up your gearbox oil, so you don't need to take that out. Now on the end of the drive shaft there is a circlip. Clean it off. As you can see there's a little circlip which we just need to undo, so I'm just going to do that now. Now that circlip's off, fingers crossed this will just come off, but no, it never does. You hit it from behind and fingers crossed it will just free off. Only using very light taps with a hammer, it's not on very hard because it's all lubricated up. It's still a little bit stiff. There we go. Now break the seal on the end here. And there we go, we're all ready for the new one now. Alright, now it's time for the new gator. You normally get grease, 2 clips and the gator inside a kit. Goes to one side. Chuck the gator over first. Small clip. Right, now we need to pack some grease in that. bearing back on. Let's get a socket the right size to just hit over that. This circlip is quite small and my clips won't fit into it that well, so I'm going to try and do it this way instead, and it seems to have worked. Squish it all around. Once the car's moving anyway, all this will get instantly spread around. Now let's get this back on the car and we'll put the clips on when it's back in there. Pop on my crimping tool, if I can get it in that little gap. And there we go, we've just got to do one on the outside now. But pretty much, that is how you do a outer CV boot gator. So thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a share, give it a like, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you for watching. I'll get the rest of these last few bits finished now, and I'll see you again.